Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Mark of Parker, Colorado writes, I've had my homeowner insurance with the same insurance company for over 10 years. My condo had some water damage which affected the wall paint and the wood floor because of the damage. I filed a claim with the insurance company, and even without visiting the property to inspect the damage, I got a call from one of their representatives that my claim was rejected as the policy doesn't cover water damage. Okay, my insurance premium has been increasing every year over the past 10 years, and now when I file a claim to cover the damages in my property, they reject the claim without an inspection. What is the purpose of having homeowners insurance if it doesn't cover any type of damage? So a couple different things here is, if you don't have the coverage in your policy, then the insurance company's kind of right, okay? And this is why I always say, read your policy. Nobody wants to read the policy. I don't know a single person that wants to stay awake and read a policy for insurance coverage. Most people don't do that. I do it every day because we see different policies, right? But this is the deal, is if you don't know the coverage that is in your policy and you expect something to be covered that's not, it's kind of on you. However, if you expected the coverage to be there because you told your agent, hey, I want this coverage to be in there, and you have it in writing, okay, then that's probably on them. So make sure you have the coverage that you need in your policy to make sure that you are covered in the event of a specific disaster. If you know you live in Tornado Alley, make sure you have the coverage. Make sure you have the increased cost of construction coverage, right? Because right now, with the supply chain issues and everything else that's going on, insurance, we've noticed insurance policies aren't increasing at the same rate that these prices are for construction and materials. So again, you have to take responsibility as the property owner to make sure you have the right coverage, because that is on you unless it is actually the responsibility of your agent to do that for you. And if it was me, I would contact my agent every year to make sure I have the right coverage for the scenario of whatever's happening in my life. If it is life changes, if it is home changes, if it's construction changes, if you're building a new structure on your property, right? All sorts of different stuff. But the best way to do that is have a good agent that actually works for you and is on your side, okay, versus just being a sales agent for the insurance company. So you know what to do if you have a claim that is not being paid properly, if it's commercial, residential, municipal, or a school district. We've done all of those. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.